Welcome back to the Love Train Nation. I'm BobbieD. Today our hearts are heavy as we share a tragic incident that unfolded in Japan, involving a collision between a coastguard aircraft and a Japan Airlines passenger plane. Metropolitan Police Department of Tokyo reported 5 fatalities and severe injuries to a pilot among the Coast Guard aircraft crew members. Our thoughts and prayers go out to their families and loved ones. The Japan Airlines Airbus A350, on a mission to deliver aid to those affected by the New Year's Day earthquake in western Japan, tragically caught fire while approaching Tokyo's Haneda Airport around 6 p.m. Remember, Love Train Nation, in times like these, supporting one another is crucial. Our hearts go out to all those affected by this tragic event. What are your thoughts on this unfolding scenario? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, share with your fellow passengers on the Love Train. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep riding the Love Train together. We'll see you in the next video.